It works the opposite way too when we're converting from fractions into decimals. So for this fraction, 1/10, as the denominator is 10, the last digit should be in the tenths column. So this means that there should only be one number after the decimal place. The number at the top, the numerator, tells us what number should be in this 1/10 column. So as the number is 1, that must be the number in the 1/10 column. So your decimal should equal 0.1. Let's try these together. Okay, so converting from fractions into decimals, the bottom number gives us a clue about which column our number goes into. So it's out of 10. So we're looking in our tenths column. We only have one digit, so in this column it must be the 8. We haven't counted over 10 at the bottom, so that means that we won't have any whole numbers. It's really that straightforward. Okay, your next one to work through is 42 hundredths. Okay, so for 42 hundredths, it's out of 100, so the last digit, the 2, is going to go in the hundredths column. Then we can just backfill. We haven't got a number in the hundredths column at the top, so that means we haven't got any whole numbers, so the answer will be 0.42. Okay, your last one to work through is 948 over 1,000. Have a think about which column the last digit is going to go in. Okay, so for 948 over 1,000, it's out of 1,000, so the last digit, the 8, is going to go in the thousandths column. And then you can just count backwards. So the 4 goes in front of that, the 9 goes in front of that. It doesn't go over 1,000, so we have 0 whole numbers. So 948 out of 1,000 will be converted into 0.948.